As we try to come back to some sense of normalcy, there is hope that widespread testing will help determine who had COVID-19, who has an immunity to COVID-19, and how they may be able to help others. CBS News' Aundrea Cline-Thomas has more.
Once bustling corridors are now at a standstill. Signs on storefronts signal the uncertainty. Behind each locked door, an upheaval of lives, desperate for a mere semblance of normalcy.
Question of reopening, which everyone wants to do and everybody wants to do yesterday. I am at the top of that list.
Governor Cuomo says providing wide-scale antibody testing is central to getting people back to work. The test will determine who has recovered from COVID-19.
We have to be patient. I think that's the main thing. And at the time we're being patient, the laboratories will catch up.
Dr. David Rich is the president of the Mount Sinai Hospital.
We have developed a test here at Mount Sinai to look for immunity.
Its researchers were among the first in the country to create an antibody test that not only determines prior infection, but how much of the disease-fighting proteins a person has. The test is now awaiting FDA approval and has been shared with state and commercial labs as they too come up with a means to test millions of people. City and state leaders do not have a timeline about when that can happen. Dr. Jennifer Rakeman is the Assistant Commissioner of New York City's Public Laboratory.
The challenge there will be sort of balancing getting lots of people tested with also not overwhelming our healthcare system and not putting people at risk for getting infected.
A healthcare system that's already stretched to its limit despite evidence of the number of hospitalizations stabilizing. For now, testing of frontline workers is being prioritized, along with former patients who can help doctors understand the disease and better treat those who are currently ill.
There is no guarantee that just because someone has had COVID and has antibodies to COVID, that they couldn't be reinfected by COVID.
With more to learn about the virus, slowly reopening the economy is still weeks away. Aundrea Cline-Thomas, CBS 2 News.